Happy Hump Day, super scientists. It's Wednesday, May the 26th. And you see my girl here on the screen. She's gone fishing. Have you ever been fishing before? Yes or no? I have. Let me see your fish face. Love it. We will be talking about, what do you think? You got it. Fish. What are we working on in science today? We will observe and record the life cycle of a fish. How? We will research fish on pebblego.com. Then illustrate, color, and label the life cycle of a clownfish. Say those yellow words with me, please. Clownfish. Have you ever seen a clownfish before? Does it have a red nose to squeak and honk? No, it's not really a clown. You'll be seeing some clownfish with me today on Pebble Go. Why? We will understand the different stages in animal life cycles. Say these last yellow words, please. Life cycles. Yeah, a cycle is like a circle. Round and around and around and around. Show me your cycle. You'll be showing me the clownfish's life cycle today in your journal. But first, here we go, Pebble Go. Eyes on, ears on. Look at that clownfish. Have you ever seen a clownfish before? Yeah, me too. There's a movie I love with a clownfish. Have you seen Finding Nemo? Yeah, he's a clownfish. Turn those ears on, eyes on your screen. Let's learn some clownfish facts.
Clownfish have orange bodies with white stripes. They are about 4 inches, 10 centimeters long. Clownfish use fins to swim in the ocean.
All right, take a look at that fish. You'll be drawing it in your journal. What colors are you going to use? Orange body. What color stripes? White. And they have these special characteristics they use for swimming. What are those called? Fins. Say fins, please. You'll have to draw the fins in your journal today. Let's move on to habitat.
Home. Clownfish swim in warm ocean waters. They live with sea anemones in coral reefs.
Look at that picture. That is the sea anemone in the coral reef they are living with. Take a look. I'll zoom in. They lay their baby eggs down there. We're going to see those eggs in just a minute. But when you are ready to add your journal pictures today, you might want to draw your eggs in this kind of plant. Take a picture in your memory. Don't forget what that looks like. We'll add it in our journal. But for now, let's go on over to life cycle, because this is what we're working on today. Here we go.
Clownfish lay eggs on coral reefs. Both parents guard the eggs. After 7 days, the eggs hatch. The young fish find new anemones to live on.
All right, check out this photo. We have 2 fish. Do you think one is the mom and one's the dad? Or is one the adult and one's the young? What do you think? It says that here they are laying the eggs down in this coral reef. Both parents are guarding the eggs. It's not just one of their jobs. Both of them have to do it. After 7 days, the eggs hatch. What does hatch mean?
Hatch. To break out of an egg.
Pretend you are in an egg right now. We're going to hatch on 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you hatch? Bravo, little baby fish. After they hatch, they break out of the egg. Then the young fish find new anemones to live in. So they can't stay with the parents. They have to move out already and go live somewhere different. There is an egg. It hatches. A young fish swims out. And it has to go find a new anemone, a new coral reef to live in. But now the parents go lay more eggs. They guard them again. They hatch again. And the life cycle goes around and around and around and around and around. Fun facts before the video.
Sea anemones sting fish. Slime on a clownfish's scales protects it from stings. Clownfish live 6 to 10 years in the wild. A female clownfish lays up to 1,000 eggs at a time.
Whoa, 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 whoa. These are some interesting facts. First, it says
Other fish.
This sea anemone, that's this thing he's in, sting. It hurts other fish, but not the fancy special clownfish. He has this special slime that protects him from the stings. So he can survive in the sea anemone, but the other fish cannot. That's some good protection. The clownfish live from 6 to 10 years. So those parents aren't going to lay eggs forever and ever and ever. They've got about 10 years to lay eggs and make all those babies. But after about 10 years, they're going to die. But the life cycle doesn't stop because they made eggs. The eggs make new babies. The babies turn into adults. And then those adults go lay eggs. We're not going to run out of clownfish just because this one dies. The life cycle keeps on going. The last fact, a female clownfish lays up to 1,000 eggs at a time. Do humans have 1,000 babies in their tummy when they get pregnant? No, 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 no. Could you imagine having 1,000 brothers and sisters all of a sudden? 1,000 babies? That's a lot of eggs. But that means a lot of clownfish will hatch and grow and make more clownfish all the time. That's a lot of babies. Let's see our video before we get started. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to make it big screen. Wow. What do you call this thing that stings the other fish? Sea anemone. Pretty. Here we go. Oh, he likes it. Do you think it's stinging him? No. Probably feels good on his back. He's dancing. Oh, there's another one in there. Did you see him? Oh, there it is. How cute. Do you think that's the mom and the dad guarding the eggs? Do you think the eggs are hiding down inside that sea anemone? Do you see eggs right now? No, I think they're down in there. I think they're guarding it. And I think they're dancing and rubbing their back a little bit. We will show some of these details in our journals in just a second. Before we get out our materials, let's go review vocabulary. Our first new word today, we've already said it once. Say it again. Life cycle. A life cycle is the way that living things continuously grow, make new living things, and eventually die. The cycle goes around and around and around. Like this one begins in the eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae. The larva changes into the pupa. And finally the pupa turns into an adult. The adult lays more eggs and more larvae, more pupas, more adults, around and around and around. Today you're going to show me a life cycle. Not a butterfly. But what animal today? A clownfish. Good job. Next word. Young. Say that with me, please. Young. You will show me a young clownfish today. A living thing that was recently made by parents. Cute and little and sweet. A young animal. Here's some on your screen. And a young plant. You'll show me a young fish soon. And a parent. Say that P word, please. Parent. On your screen, you see a parent tree, a parent hippo. They both just made new living things. They made new seeds. They made more hippos. Today, you're going to show me a parent clownfish that's going to lay more eggs to make more baby clownfish. And now, is it only the mom's job to guard the eggs? We have two parents in the clownfish. The mom and the dad both have to help. You'll show me some parents in your journal. And now, it is time to get your supplies ready. Will you please get your journal? Will you please get your pencil? And I want to see those orange and white details, so grab your crayons. Meet me on video 2, and let's get started.